Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to see how popcorn is made in a factory. It all starts with the kernels. The corn is picked and processed, then dried and inspected. Any damaged kernels are removed by machines, then the good ones are sent to be cleaned. Huge fans blow air at 60 miles per hour to remove any dirt or other debris. The kernels are then sterilized to kill any bacteria or bugs that might be inside. After this, the kernels go through a series of machines that remove the outer shells. The first machine soaks the kernels in water for about 2 hours. Then it uses a combination of heat, pressure, and a special popping agent to make the popcorn. The popping agent is a secret ingredient that gives the popcorn its signature fluffy texture. The kernels are popped for about 10 minutes until they're all nice and expanded. The unpopped kernels get removed, and the popped popcorn gets tossed into a huge tub full of soybean oil. This helps to keep the popcorn fresh and prevents it from getting stale. Then the popcorn is sent to the seasoning area, where it's mixed with salt and other seasonings. The amount of salt added depends on the type of popcorn. Sweet popcorn gets more salt than savory varieties. The popcorn is cooled down and sent through a series of machines that add the buttery flavoring and the iconic stripe bags. Each machine does a specific job. One adds the butter flavoring, another adds the first stripe to the bag, and another adds the second stripe. The bags are then sealed and the popcorn is ready to be shipped to stores all over the world. It takes about 30 minutes from the time. The kernels are added to the machine until the finished product is packaged and ready to go. That's a lot of popcorn. In fact, the factory produces 30 tons of popcorn every single day. And there you have it, a behind-the-scenes look at how popcorn is made in a factory. From the time the kernels are picked to the moment the finished product hits the shelves, it's a long and complicated process, but the end result is definitely worth it. So next time you're enjoying a bucket of popcorn at the movies, take a moment to appreciate all the hard work that went into making it. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe and comment below if you want to see more videos like this. We'll see you next time.